One of the most common questions asked when talking with other resellers, especially resellers on eBay, is how do we ship our items? How do we find the most affordable way to ship and still keep a profit? For us, one of our biggest resources we use is Pirate Ship. Let me walk you through how we use Pirate Ship. So once you're logged into Pirate Ship, it's as easy as going to import from eBay. Now we have multiple eBay accounts for which we're able to pull in and do shipping from all of the accounts through one account with Pirate Ship, which makes it nice and easy for us. So in this shipping queue, I have 3 items to ship which have sold. So we're going to go ahead and get started by saying get rates. Now I usually match these up to the orders in eBay, so I know which items go to which people. So I know that the 3 items listed here, 2 of them are phone cases and 1 is a tie. So I'm going to go ahead and do the phone cases first. And it's a matter of clicking on Get Rates. And because I've shipped this item before, it automatically defaulted to the same shipping method I had used in the previous orders for this item, which is a padded envelope, a poly bag, soft pack, or box in a bag, which measures 8 by 8 and weighs about 4 ounces. So I'm going to say Get Rates. And it's going to cost me $309 to ship this item to Washington State. Now I'm in Syracuse, New York, so this has got to go clear across the country. And it's telling me the cheapest is first class package due to the weight. So I'm going to say Buy Label. Now I will have a link to Pirate Ship in the description, as well as a link to the shipping supplies, the scale we use, and our label printer. We have a Rollo printer, and let me tell you, I absolutely love it. It's one of the best purchases we could have made in this business. I have a Dymo printer that I use for labeling my stuff for FBA, for putting my SKU labels on. However, when I looked at the Dymo 4X, I just wasn't satisfied with it, and I was happy we went with the Rollo. So now that my shipping has been purchased, all I have to do is say Print Label. And then I print it. As you can see, it's going to go to my Rollo. Done. Now I put the label on the item and ship it out. And this automatically updates eBay with the tracking information. I don't have to go back in and do anything to set that item as being shipped. I simply just need to go back and leave the feedback. So that's how easy it is to use Pirate Ship for your shipping methods. So let me get out of this, and we will do the tie because it'll be a little bit different. So again, I go back in here to my eBay items, and I know that this one is the tie. So it's asking me what kind of package. Well, I happen to have it in an envelope, so I need to give it my measurements, and we have 9 by 6. So 9 by 6, and the weight is, because it's only a men's tie, it's actually very lightweight, 3 ounces. I don't need to do any hazardous materials. I don't need to do any custom forms because this is going to Nevada. So I simply need to say Get Rates. And our shipment detail is going to be $309. So we're going to go ahead and say Buy Label. And again, it's that easy. It updates the tracking number automatically on the eBay order. And we're going to go ahead and say Print the Label. That's it. That's all there is to shipping with Pirate Ship. It's pretty simple. If you're printing multiple or shipping multiple items, you can actually print out a scan sheet and take it to your post office and scan in all of your packages at once, provided your post office knows what to do with that scan sheet. 9 times out of 10, they try to scan it like a tracking number, which is incorrect. They need to scan it with the little handheld scanner. So sometimes that doesn't save you anywhere, and they still have to scan in each and every package. But hopefully you find value in this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment below. If you're not a subscriber to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell notification so you get notified every time we put out a new video. Alrighty, hustlers, get out there and go do.